Can AI and automation help or hurt accessibility, customer support, and success? In their current state, AI and automation are largely unhelpful for accessibility and customer support, though this may evolve. One major concern is that AI can act as a gatekeeper, making it difficult for users, especially those with disabilities, to reach a real person when they need assistance. If an organization implements AI-driven support tools, it's critical to be mindful of the biases inherent in language models. Many AI systems struggle to accurately interpret requests from individuals who communicate differently, potentially preventing them from accessing the help they need. This can unintentionally create additional barriers rather than removing them. Artificial intelligence should be used to enhance customer support, not replace it. Providing multiple support options, such as phone, email, live chat, or AI-assisted chat, ensures that users can choose what works best for them. AI should always be optional, not the only way to get assistance. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.